Wow! It's Magic Art Channel. Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn B, and B is for bird. Wow! Can you draw a bird? I can draw. So let's start with me. Now magic. Wow! Let's color. Orange. Orange is for its tongue. Brown. Brown is for the inside of the mouth. Blue. Blue is for birds' wings. Now dark yellow. Dark yellow is for its body. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, finally brown. Brown is for its legs. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Now the color is done. Can you try it? I believe you can do it. So let's try, my dear kids. Wow!